Another CCTV camera capture. Omo, if you say this CCTV thing, we need to spend more money on top of that thing because they bring different things. Not only our government no sabi user. If you now see wetin this camera don't capture now, this one na woman we carry pikin. You go person shop. Say if they look for job, say I beg help me with job. I beg I never chop my pikin. You understand? You just they do pity face. If you now see wetin my eye saw, oh Jehovah. With the pikin wey this woman carry, now so he stretch hand as the shop get. According to the lady wey dey the shop, he say the shop belong to his sister. So this girl come apply for job. Before that one go turn, my people, the woman just carry handbag. They say valuable things full inside that handbag. Now so he wrap under the. I beg, make I no just waste una time because I know so many of una now I don't dey salivate. I want make una say with una koro eye. So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Play. Everybody set it back in. Everybody set it back in. Pushing where you go. Someone's like, oh, going behind any combo. Okay. Nice.
You see?
We should learn it straight. And he's smart girl.
Una see this government. Everybody don't they take advantage of this government. They don't they use government now do more evil things. Small thing, no, because see, make I tell you something. Before Nigeria spoil, before Nigeria spoil, many people don't they start their nonsense habits, stealing, killing before this government matter start. So what did this government do now? They just bring out people recolor. So now they bring out their recolor, they cover them under government umbrella. Una go say now, this is hunger. She's hungry. The child have not eaten. This one day, are you not hungry? No, you know they're hungry. Like as you they see me like that, you know they're hungry. Me, I'm hungry. I need a new phone. I need a car. So why I no enter car shop go thief car? You are saying it's hunger. Is this one? No, why I no go steal phone? Listen, make una stop they justify people's wrongdoings. And this is the thing same way they kill us for Africa. Because they no say person go pity them, they go still go they do the thing more. I beg, make una know they use una problem when they ruin other people's own. I beg, this I know they for inside this one this time. This is greed. You go look for job. The same place where they look for job, you go steal. What did they call that one? Una go tell me say person they hungry. So you get sense say you need job, but your sense no as you go for the job, your sense you know user no say you no supposed steal. Say these people go, and thank God because the CCTV even capture the face, even capture I will put the this see her there. So for anybody we know, I beg may investigation start sharp. Listen, you don't need to steal before you prove say they suffer. Everybody they go through something. The only difference they say some of us still they dress well, we they smell nice, you understand? But we all have what we are going through. So not say because see if not to steal, you know how many things everybody for they steal for this life. We not go get shop safe because everywhere go empty. Everybody go say, okay, I need this one. All of una way they run shops. Whether shop or restaurant or anything, as long as in a business they do, una know they learn. Upon all the things where they happen for this country, everyday news, same stories every day, una know they learn. See how that one leave market, yeah. He leave the whole thing scatter, yaka everywhere. How they not go teach something? You see, wisdom no go kill me. I too get wisdom. You dey run business, you suppose arrange the thing in a way where you know say okay, at least if something means you go notice. Now why they easily steal from una? Why una go leave una things anyhow like that? I beg get sense very especially now. If I be una, I go dey hot seat. You know understand? I go dey serious hot seat. You even carry pikin. Some people no just get conscience. You carry pikin, do they go steal with pikin? And I know say children they learn fast. Any small thing wey one pikin don see now, you wan practice, I no one know, because they don't know whether they good, they don't know whether they bad. They will just want, okay, I saw my mommy doing this, that pikin now, no, just give am small time. Now it go become professional in stealing, the theology. That's that. Now wetin una go see? All the criminals wey you dey see today say they exist. No, how they start? Either from their house. Abeg, see, make una abeg this kind things. They take me out of space. Or maybe the pikin say no be for am. You know, some people, if they want beg, they no say. Once you see, some of us we get good heart. If like me, if I see person with pikin, I don't know, I just easily moved. So now that strategy now this woman use, because she know say if they see her with the pikin, people will not go. You understand that our attention no go too dey on top her, because we go say, she carry pikin or this one. Now waiting, if it possible that pikin no fit be her own self. Abeg make una take una time. And abeg for una wey know am, biko. In fact, ring the alarm, ring the bell, anything where you know say you fit do, but let us know, because we dey find this woman very, very important. So abeg share this video, because we need know. They say inside that bag, khaki dey, many things dey inside that bag, so they find the bag. Abeg share this video so that everybody go know say we dey find person. You understand? And if e be your neighbor or you know am from anywhere, still indicate am for that comment section, and I will reply on one by one as usual. Make sure say you subscribe. How you want to get interesting matters like this one now? No, be sincere to yourself. You understand? Just click on that thing. You no go kill, you no go do it. Just support your game. Stay tuned for our next story. Buhari and doctors are on strike. My people, this one are the new developed matter wey happen since wey Buhari travel all in the name of medical checkup. Yes, for all of una wey dey aware for this matter, don bring una update. And as e be now, doctors don embark on an indefinite strike due to the poor condition of service and many other unfulfilled promises wey government don promise us. Anyhow, shall not be today. Don't tey wey these people dey promise us many things and they don fail. My people, National Association of Resident Doctors now they don tire. They say how Buhari go fit leave Nigeria, say they go that place. They don't take this matter very serious, and now everybody dey on strike. And they wonder wetin go fit happen now. But not be that one sef be my problem. Wetin carry me come here today now, because wetin be the Minister of Labour and Employment, Mr. Chris, he don come outside now, come give us in your wahala. And according to Ram, into say resident doctors say normally they pay before they enter residence program. Now wetin you talk? But for Nigeria, now then they pay them before they go enter. Say you never see that one. Say for UK and for US, the case they different. But people are begging, I don't want to waste on time again, because already I don't dey vex. So because join me, make we listen to this man we no get wisdom. Join me, make we watch the video.
The people who are talking about those who are going for greener pastures, how many medical doctors in residency training in America ask government to pay them residency training fund? How many? In the United States, you pay to enter the residency program. In the UK, the same. You are paying. Here, we pay them in training, salaries and allowances, and also give them money for examination, for books, for transport, to exams. Please, Sheikh, don't draw me into that area, please.
Lies from the pit of hell. I'm not just wait. As soon as they watch this one now, how na feel? Because me to vomit, sef, even they hungry me. I won't throw up. The first say minister, they call person minister. See wetin they come up for your mouth. Una no go gather una facts before you come outside public on the talk. I beg a point of correction. You know they pay to enter a residency training program. I beg for US. You know, I'm not just understand. Wetin be this people problem? Wetin be una problem? You pass exam and interview. That is all. Which one come be you pay before you enter? You this one, you this one. See una minister. Oh, wow, Nigeria. No, my people, see, we need prayers. We need prayers. Oh, this one not be the one that they talk say Nigeria na cruise, because we have passed cruise level. Now we need prayers. This is spiritual. Which kind of demon enter all our politicians? Hey, Chineke, you now see how they go? They bring different lies just to protect their nonsense behavior. Different lies. See who they talk of money. You pay. If person hear you now, they go think say na one better money. You pay them. You work since you they compare, since you they bring UK and US matter compare am to Nigeria. How much una they pay una doctors? How much Nigerian? No, how much they pay Nigerian doctors? Since this one won't come outside, come they talk many things. You pay. You get money. You work for money? I been at the money where they thief up and down. Which money? I even talked to one lady like that, because she says she be a health practitioner. No, because una not say I tell una every time. I like they gather my facts. I talked to this lady. Now so the lady they tell me say ordinary internship space say they pay Nigeria. Internship space they say they pay for them. Not to talk of residency. Now this man they come outside say, Chineke, God. Except if nobody want talk. But if everybody supposed start the open mouth, now people see. Make I tell you something. We get reasons why we don't suppose to this country again. Only to think of our politicians, you not even want to stay for this country. I'm not just understand. Every day, these people they bring different matter. Nigeria is in soup. Nigeria is in soup. For all of una we sit down and relax. Una think say things are getting better. My people, it is our prayer for things to get better, but things are not getting better. Let us call a spade a spade. And since these people now they want bring a UK lifestyle, no problem. No be to pay. They will pay for the residency, but make sure see the same salary where they pay UK doctors, you go pay Nigerian doctors. Since you won't bring them down, oh yeah, may we balance everything once and for all. I beg all the doctors in the house. If you don't say they watch me, you be doctor or you will be nurse. Anything will concern injection, needle and this thing hair. Because make una come defend una self. I no study medicine, na business I study. So I beg, make una come defend una self, because I don't tire for these people and their mumu lies. They come talk to us like say we be. I no get strength for these people. I beg, if you be doctor, come outside now. We need know whether waiting this man talk na true. Because me, I don't talk the one way I know. Any other thing past this one, I don't know. So make una come help me, come support this motion. I become against this motion, because I dey very sure. See, in fact, I feel even beat my chest 1000%. Say this man I lie. All of them I lie for their mouth. My people, now the matter be this. Even people wey dey from outside, they don't call me say Madam Aproko, na lie. Say for this place, don't be like that. Hey God, who do this thing to? But people have been at the matter be this, so I no fit vex again. I don't tire. Anything wey you guys talk now concerning this man and the raw way they run on top of Biko, drop off for that comment section. And if you get doctors as friends, share this video, because see, we need confirmation. We need to be sure that these are politicians, they play with our head. Very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe, share this video, and drop your comments. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.